Today I'll be telling you about current electricity and circuit diagrams. Current electricity is the flow or movement of electrons through a conductor. It flows through a controlled path called an electric circuit. There are four main parts of a circuit: power source, load, switch, connecting wire. I put an abbreviation for each one so as you can see, battery is a power source, so I just put PS. So a battery just supplies the electron flow. Open switch circuit is incomplete and electron flow escapes. Closed switch is the opposite. It's a complete circuit and electron flow just flows around. Lamp or bulb can be drawn in two different ways, with an X and a circle, or a loop-de-loop and a circle. Um, for a cell, that's like part of the battery, negative, so the electrons flow out of the negative terminal because they're repelled from it and they go to the positive terminal. Ammeter measures current and it can be drawn with the circle and the A. Same thing goes for voltmeter and the circle and motor and the circle. Resistor. The resistor slows the flow of electric charges so the components don't get damaged. Voltmeter is just a circle and a V, and it measures the voltage. Connecting wire is just a line. It's the conductor in the circuit. And motor measures or produces motion. And on another note, if there's a burnt or broken component in the circuit will not work because the electrons will escape. So there's three different types of circuits: simple circuits, series circuits, and parallel circuits. For simple circuits, you have a power source, load, one path of electron flow. I didn't put connecting wire, but there is connecting wire in all of these circuits. For series, you have power source, one or more loads, one path of electron flow, and if you add more components, the bulbs dim and resistance increases. For parallel, you have a power source, multiple paths because you have multiple branches. You have two or more loads, branches added equals resistance decrease. Brightness doesn't change. If one component fails, the others still work because there's multiple paths. Okay, so this is an example of a simple circuit. We have a single cell battery, so we're just gonna go boom, boom. This is the positive, this is the negative. Now we're gonna draw our connecting wire connected to a bulb. So we can just draw the bulb like right here. Made it a little small, but it's okay. We're just gonna do it the loop. Gonna connect it back up. Now it says a closed switch, so we're just gonna go boom, boom. Doesn't matter where we put the switch. So I forgot one thing. Since electrons are negative, we have to show the electron flow. So since it comes out from the negative terminal, we're just gonna draw the electrons going all the way through the circuit, attracting to the positive terminal. Just an example of a series circuit. So we got a 2-cell battery this time, so we're just gonna go one long line, one short, and then repeat the process again. So this is 2 cells. Negative is here because it's the shorter line, this is the positive. So next it says 3 bulbs connected with wires. So we're just gonna go boom, boom, boom. Go up here, and an open switch. So matter of fact, let's just connect it, and then we'll just draw the opening over here. We'll go like that, and then like that. Show that the electrons are escaping. And then we just got to draw the electron flow once again. And as you can see, the electron flow would stop there, but if it was closed, the electron flow would go like this. Now don't take this into consideration because the circuit is not complete, but if it was closed, it would be like that. This is an example of a parallel circuit. So 2 3-cell batteries. So 3 cell is going to look like this. 3 long, 3 short. We're going to draw a negative, positive, but then we got to do one in parallel. So it's going to be right over here. My bad. This is the long one, this is the short one, this is the long one, this is the short one, this is the long one. Just draw the positive right here, connect these two, but then it says 2 bulbs in parallel, so we gotta extend this over here. We gotta go bulb, bulb. So now we're just gonna draw the circle here and the circle here. We're gonna draw electron flow coming all around this way, because it can go this way. We can draw it coming through up here, 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 and here. Thank you for listening.